Hi, I'm Bob again. This is
I'm
Jen.
still Jen.
This is week 2 from March 2014, and we are talking spins and turns.
Woo!
Quite exciting. We're doing some lindy hops and triple steps. Jen's going to demonstrate our first exercise. Whilst I talk you through it, we were doing some turns just on the spot, and we started off with just normal turns with step, step, step. Step, 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 step. And we both can do this, step, 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 step. And the big thing here, when we're moving from walking around, we can just do this. We've got walking, we've got our straight line arms going backwards and forwards. And then when we go into turning, it's more natural to have our arms out here. And that helps our balance and helps our leaders know where we are. So our arms are in barbie position. So we started thinking about putting some turns into triple steps. So we can do the same thing. We have rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. And again, our arms are keeping our balance. And on each of those steps of the triple steps, we're taking a full weight transfer. And keeping them reach around.
Step, step,
Step, step, step. Rock, step, 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 step. Step, step, step. Good, this is going to be quite hard class video. So we started putting this in some moves. We were looking at just normal tap turns to start with. So we wanted to really generate those rotational arms by using our rotational rock step. So instead of just going backwards and forwards like we normally would, we put our arms to come out into rotational mode for our rotational rock step. And Jen is opening up one way and I'm rotating the other way. So the whole move is going to look like this. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. The tuck turns don't have to travel, we can keep them on the spot using this. So we're going rock, step, triple step, and we're triple stepping in with our followers trying to turn as far as they can. Again, turn as far as you can.
I'm turning as far as I can until I'm stopped by Bob's arm here and his
So you can
frame.
see here, we're opening out, open out, triple step, triple step. And we're just letting that turn open itself up. Once we've developed that tension and that rotation in our bodies, we can both just let it go and let it come out. So we can do that either from closed to open, like rock, step, triple step, triple step. Or we can go back to close, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. So we started putting that in some more dynamic moves, talking about flow and momentum. We want to use a lindy circle, with our rotation continuing through the circle to develop that circular rock step. And that keeping going, that going throughout the move. So it will look 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, rock step. And that circular momentum continues through that move. The whole move rotates around and we can keep the momentum going into whatever you want to do. We finish with challenge move of the week, speeding things up a bit. I'm pushing everything through to make a nice 4-beat spin. Gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the really important bit for that, leads, we've got to think 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. And as we open our followers up, we're going to follow around with our front foot and then step through with our second foot for the second beat and develop that tension and this compression between this arm and this back that will open up.
Cool. Thanks very much.
Thanks very much.
I'm Jen, he's Bob. Join us next week for some Charleston.
Woo! Charleston.